What's up, family? It's your boy Marco back again with another one. Today I'm about to be whipping up some orange chicken and fried rice. My own takeout. I don't even feel like going nowhere. I just want to stay in the house. Let's make it ourselves. I woke up craving orange chicken, but I don't want to go pick it up from nowhere. You guys know why? I'm a picky eater. I gotta make it myself. Yes. Let's do it. Let's go. Come on, y'all. Hit that button, and hit that button when you hear that. Yup. So right here, I got 3 chicken breasts cut up. You can use whatever chicken you want. I'm using chicken breast. To the chicken breast, I'm gonna go ahead and add a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper. Go ahead and add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Let's add 2 eggs. Let's add a half a cup of cornstarch. And let's add a half a cup of flour. Let's go ahead and get that a mix. Alright, and I'm gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes and we're gonna go ahead and fry it up. Alright, so oil should be hot enough now. I'm using vegetable oil and I'm about to go ahead and drop the chicken in. Everybody in the oil, don't crowd it. Do one at a time. I got my first batch in. I'm gonna fry the second batch. When the first batch come out, we're gonna start on the sauce and we're gonna start on our rice. Chicken is looking nice. I'm gonna fry them for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna move on to the next batch. Alright, it's been 4 to 5 minutes. Chicken looking like it's ready to come out. You guys tell me what you think. Looking good, right? Let's go ahead and get the first batch out. Go ahead and put that second batch in. One chicken at a time. Alright, the second batch is almost done. We almost there. It's been about 4 minutes on this. I'm gonna give it another minute, probably another minute or 2 minutes, because I kind of crowded the pool a little bit. There was a limit and I exceeded, but look at it, so far so good. Alright, we there with this half. Y'all tell me again, how we looking? Looking good, right? Alright, let's take all this out, throw it in the oven to keep warm, and let's start on our sauce and our rice. A tablespoon of vegetable oil. Let's add a tablespoon of garlic. We're gonna saute this up real quick. You don't want to saute the garlic for too long. We're not trying to brown it. Just want to extract some of the flavor. A half a cup of orange juice. Stir that up. To the half cup of orange juice, we're going to add a teaspoon of fresh ground ginger. You can use ginger powder, whatever. I had ginger on hand, so I used fresh ginger. We're gonna do a teaspoon of orange zest. Teaspoon of orange zest in there. Fresh squeezed orange. Hit it with just half. Get it good. I tried to be strong. Oh! Snap! Don't do that. Don't do that. Alright, squeezing the orange. To that, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons white sugar, 2 tablespoons brown sugar. Now we just gonna let this simmer and reduce for about 5 to 6 minutes. And we'll check back on it. Oh, and I forgot to say, I got the heat on medium for right now. I got the heat on medium. I'm gonna do this for like 5 to 7 minutes. Dang, it smells good. Okay, so it's been about 7 minutes. We got our sauce looking nice and good. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, about tablespoon of soy sauce. Gotta stir it real quick. Let's strain it. So now we're going to strain our sauce to get all that ginger, garlic, and everything out of it. This way. Strain all of that out. Just press all that flavor out. You still got a lot of liquid in this garlic and ginger and the orange. I got a tablespoon of cornstarch and I got a tablespoon of water. Just mix that up. I'm gonna add that in here just to thicken it up a bit. Get all that. Okay. Okay, sauce has thickened up. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Okay. And that give it that kick we looking for. That when you walk into like a food court, your mouth start watering just from the smell of like the Chinese food. That's what it is. That's what got my mouth watering right now. Or soy sauce to it. There we go. Oh, that was good. A little bit more soy sauce. Get this a toss. Oh, look like good. This look lost one. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Look how good that look. Orange chicken at home. That's what I'm talking about. Orange chicken at home. I ain't even gotta leave and go to the Chinese place. I don't even like Chinese place. Cause the meat ain't, I don't even know. Let's go. How good that chicken look. Time to start on the fried rice. The fried rice is really quick and simple. We got a tablespoon of oil, tablespoon of vegetable oil, egg is in. Let's mix that up. I got a half a cup of onions. Oh yeah, I used 2 eggs. I got a half a cup of onions. Half a cup right there. Saute those real quick with the eggs. I got the heat on medium. A pinch of salt. We're gonna season as we go. A pinch of salt. A pinch of black pepper. Alright. Now to this, we're gonna add our white rice. I got white rice I cooked about earlier today. I don't like using old rice, but I will cook the rice earlier and let it get cold and use it. But I got 2 bags I used. I got 2 bags I cooked. Go ahead and toss that in. Mix that up. And we still letting it cook a little bit, y'all. That good. Break up all the chunks. I'll probably let this go. Probably let this go for about 3 minutes to develop the flavor a little bit more with the onions, rice, and the eggs. Now I'm going to add the garlic. We didn't want to add the garlic first because the garlic will burn, but now we want to saute the garlic in. And I got a tablespoon of that. Tablespoon of garlic. You don't need Benihana's, you got Marco Hanas. We saute the garlic for, I'd say about 2 minutes. Saute for 2 minutes, remember we don't want it to burn. Just stirring it. Alright, it's been about 2 minutes sauteing everything together. Now let's go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to start off with. Get that a stir. I put about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can put more if you want. I'll probably add just another pinch. A handful of green onions. Get that a stir. I'm gonna add a little bit more green onions. Our fried rice is done. Look how quick and easy that was. Who needs Benihana's when you got Marco Hanas? Let's dig in. But no, for real though, this is on point. I wish y'all can smell it. I wish y'all can taste it. Show y'all a little close. Look at that. Look at that orange chicken. Look at that fried rice. We ain't even had to go nowhere. We at home. Pull up. Pull up. Hey, pull up. Let's eat this though. Alright, I can't wait. Alright. First piece. Dude, I made this. Bro, it tastes better than the food court though. I ain't even gonna stunt. Better than the food court. And it's all meat. All meat. I ain't gotta worry about spitting the piece out. Getting a little crunchy piece. All this meat and it's tender. One more before I go to the rice. Let's try this rice, y'all. On the first bite. That's a 2-piece. That's a 5-piece. That's a 10-piece. Oh my. I promise y'all. Y'all gotta try the recipe, man. Don't skip out on nothing I did. Don't skip out on nothing. This junk is really fire though. Like, I'm surprised. I'm getting full. I be eating too fast and slow down. This ain't no mukbang. I don't do no mukbang. But I'm just eating to show y'all how good it is though. I think I'm gonna try and make. I think I'm gonna try and make some sesame chicken next, or maybe some pepper steak and fried rice. You know, and try it that way. That way. This. That way. Man. But if y'all digging this content, y'all already know what to do. I'm tired of saying it. Psych, I'ma say it again. Back. And what's that? Yup. I'll catch y'all later. I'm about to finish this up.